Monday, April the 4th, 2022. Going to go through a quick run through of what I looked at today of a trade that I'm currently in. I'll try and keep the waffle to a minimum. So, weekly currently bullish. In order for us to turn bearish, I'd look for price to basically fall below this last down candle here. So because we're miles away, not worried about that. Daily, bullish, still very bullish. Prices pull back into this candle, although we haven't broken below this low, still bullish. On the 4 hour it will become more apparent why. So 4 hour, and there you can see there's that daily low. What has happened as we've had price sort of move up. So price has pulled up, closed above here, lovely, cementing this low down here. And then because price was then able to close below, well, down close below this candle here, we then cemented this high here, put a quick block there, and then the high of this up candle, the next candle to break above and close above was this candle here, which means we've now cemented this low here on the 4 hour. Lovely jubbly. So looking for bullish price action. Now let me just rewind price to this morning. Let's just get to 9 o'clock there so we can have a quick look. So as we can see, price is sort of pushed down, taken out some liquidity along the way quite recently. So we've got the equal highs here that have been ran. We've then got the equal highs here that have been ran, and also you could argue we're building up liquidity here, so it's dropped down to the 15. So have a little look, see what we can see. So on the 15 minute, as you can see, price has run this clump of liquidity here. Where's that taken us? Or price pushed into the wicks of these 15 minutes, which are great demand zones or supply zones. If you look at these wicks on the 15 on the lower time frames, they really do lend themselves to being good areas to watch out for. So price is pushed down. I was expecting initially, or my first thoughts were, right, okay, so we've got these wicks here. Price could run the liquidity down here, push down, go up. So this was what, 8:45. And what we had happen was the price actually, as you can see, just put a few more lines in. Who don't love a line? There's a high there, been ran, that high's been ran by this one, and then just clone this one, and then he says, if he gets fingers to work, we've had these runs. So what caused this run above this high was this last down candle here on the 15, so that's where sort of focus our attention for the time being. As I said, looking for bullish action. And what I've also noticed on USD yen, unlike other pairs where it will really push to the extremes, if there's a level as it's moving up, and again, because we're so bullish, I'm finding price isn't able to really punch through these areas of liquidity at the moment. It's probably going to be great for later on when it does turn, but initially, once the high's been ran, it's coming back in. So as we can see, around 1:45, price pushed back into this demand zone. So go out to the 1 minute. Now on the 1 minute, I'm simply looking for a reversal confirmation fractal of a very straightforward price action. So price pushing down, pushing down, pushing down. I want to then break, see price pull back, and then break. So we've had this play out here, and I will just draw this over. So as you can see, price is just pushing down, down. You could say that it's done there, and then price is pushed up. Just waiting for price to pull back before it goes. Let's just get rid of you, get rid of you. So call that a chock, break a structure. As you can see, we've had a strong move down, taking out this double bottom where liquidity would live. after that, we've then seen price break above, you know, this high here. And then we're waiting for, see this inside bar? Again, the inside bar indicator is free, just type inside bar. That's quote unquote a flip zone. It's the last sort of down candle before the up move that broke the structure. So it's generally, I found and again, it's a nice full-bodied candle, not a lot of wick, so this is sort of the zone. That's not what I wanted. I want the 50%, so we're going to target 50% of this candle for the entry. So that is what we got there, 62.7. I think on my trade I thought round it up to 63 just to be clean. 63, 3 pip stop, and again if I just go 10 long just for the first part. So initial, you could say target could have been 10 to 1, which would have certainly cleared and targeted this high here on the 15. I'll just do that in a blue staggered line that's a bit thicker for purposes of the video. However, looking at the 1 hour, zooming out, looking for what's going on, there's a big imbalance here. So if we look at this, there's this big imbalance there. Imbalance has been pretty much filled here by this candle. However, this high wasn't able to break this high, so to call it a weak high. I was looking initially at 23.80, but then when I went down, I think to the 30 minute, yeah. As we can see, this candle here, 23.75 is where I'm aiming, essentially. So if I just sort of put in, sorry, brain freeze, goodness me, no, go away. Alright, let's just draw a line here, 25.75, okay. Now also I just want to draw a line in 22.93 to denote 10 to 1 R, so just put that there, 22.93. Okay, so that's your 10 to 1. This up here at 75 gives us 37 R to 1. So let's just go back down to the 1 minute. Let's see what plays out. So 15-minute recent high, 10 to 1, and also just back on the 15. Sorry for the waffle. We're also in this 15-minute range. So we've got this swing low here to this swing high, and as you can see, price has pulled back into that sort of premium demand area. Anyway, Jesus, he says. We'll just move this over here, 63, and just play this forward. So there we are tagged in. Again, 63, I just round number, account for the spread. Definitely get tagged in. I've had a few times where I've gone bang on the 50% because of the spread. I've actually not been tagged in. Anyway, tagged in, and then price does its thing. And again, I've not moved my stops. I'm not going to move my stops. So first of all, there's 10 to 1. So 10R, bagged, happy days. I'm not going for 10 to 1. We're going for 37 to 1 because we're greedy guts. Now, as you can see, as I mentioned in my last video, I find that I will enter a trade, get a really good entry, and price will come all the way back. So if we just get rid of this, yeah, so where are we? So currently, price is just still doing its thing. A long way to go. How long this will take, I do not know. However, if I can get one trade this week that's, well, 33, what am I doing? It was 63, and there we go, profit. Oh no, profit is profit. 3 pips, profit level 75. But yeah, if this one trade can go to 1 to 37, that'll be nice. And we'll just see what happens. That is literally it. So yeah, quick rundown of what I've looked at, why I've done what I've done, why I've targeted what I've targeted. Yeah, we'll see. I'll do another video if this wins or loses, and yeah, happy days. Take it steady, enjoy your trading. Maybe you can take something away from it, and it helps you. Fantastic.